So once again guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we have a Hyundai iload 2011 model. Today we're gonna replace the turbo charger for this one as being noisy, and the same thing, we service the engine. So yeah, to replace the turbo charger, we have to remove the exhaust manifold so that we can have an access to just replace the turbo. We cannot remove the turbo without removing the exhaust manifold. So that's the turbo over there. Can you remove this one, John? And yeah, to replace this turbocharger, there is a TSV on this one, a TSV coming from Hyundai. If the turbocharger is badly worn out, that's the thing there. Yeah. So if we before we replacing the turbocharger, there is something that needs to be done also. Like, that's the TSV over there. We need to open the engine sump and check the oil pickup on the oil pump, and then you need to check the turbocharger intercooler. If it is leaking, that's the cause of the turbo failure. You need to replace that intercooler. And also, it requires to remove the fuel injector to replace the injector washer, because that's also one of the cause of the turbocharger failure, because the combustion is leaking through the injector washer. So you need to replace that one too, and clean up the hole of the injector, where the injector seated, so you need to clean up that one as full of carbon, or else your turbo will gonna damage again. So yeah, that's all for now for this video, guys. Thanks very much for watching. Subscribe my channel if you didn't yet, then please hit the notification button below to notify you if in case you have some videos to upload. Thank you very much. See you next time.